Let me share how I create a planner spread. I've really broken it down into 5 easy steps. Choose a theme, and in this spread, we're using Rongrong's new collection called Cozy Winter. I love this color palette, so cute. I like to use washi tape or washi strips first on my page, then box stickers as a background, then my functional stickers like checklist and bullet points, then my decorative stickers. So it makes it super easy to sit down and create a planner spread with those 5 steps. As always, I will have links to this collection to shop Rongrong for 10% off and all the details about the stickers and clear tapes used in this planner spread and the new planners. You have to check them out. I hope you enjoyed this one. Hit that thumbs up button if you did. Subscribe for more planner videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!